Hey everybody, how are you? Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. It is a Wednesday and a little bit different video today. I'm in my small kitchen, and as promised, I'm actually recording this on Monday. But as promised, I mentioned the other day I was going to do poblano, chicken poblano, and cheese soup. So I'm going to give you a little step-by-step what I've done. I know a lot of people have asked in the past, like, show some more cooking. We know you like to cook. So yeah, you can see all my good stuff back here. It's a small kitchen. But anyway, so what I did is I went and bought 4 poblano peppers and I blackened them on my stove right down here. And I blackened them on the burner. I don't live in a place or large enough for a grill or outside area. And it's a mess, but it smells very smoky and peppery in my apartment right now. So I kind of had to close off my bathroom and bedroom door for a while. But here are the peppers right here. And you can see that I blackened all of these. So what I'm going to do next that you're going to see, I'm going to do a little step-by-step and turn the camera on the other way, is I'm going to chop these up with a big sweet onion and saute those in a little olive oil, and then we're going to go from there. How's that sound? All right, so I hope you enjoy the video. As I said, I love cooking, and yes, I'm going to use Gregor's seasoning, shameless plug. You can find this at gregorseasoning.com. I'm probably going to use a couple things. I have a pepper extraordinaire, and I may even throw in some of my poultry and pork seasoning, which is very rich, kind of bouillon, and other kinds of goodness in it. So enjoy the video, and if you want the recipe, I'll remember to post this at the end of the video. I'm tweaking it on my own, but I found the recipe online. All right, thank you. Enjoy. Hey everybody, for the next step I'm going to add, I have the peppers, the onions, the garlic, and the cumin all sauteing, and right now the chicken is going to go in. So about a half a cup to 2 cups of chopped chicken, and all I did was I went to the grocery store, to the rotisserie chicken where they sell the chicken. They have that at your supermarket, and I bought 3 chicken breasts, and what I got left over I'll have for lunch tomorrow. Hey everybody, so the soup is done. It smells wonderful in here. I have a lot. I wish I was feeding like 10 people because I have a lot, but here you go. Here's the finished product right down here. And why I'm getting myself some of this delicious soup, I wanted to tell you, I don't cook a lot with cream soups at all. It's just something not my wheelhouse, but I had the soup when I was at a restaurant, and then I saw a couple posts online, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to make it one day. And so I saw some poblano peppers on sale at a local market not too long ago, and I decided that that's the day that I was going to make it. So I bought them. I'd used 4 poblano peppers, and I'm zhuzhing this up for a minute so I can show it to you. You can add certain things in it. At first I wasn't going to add any corn, and I went and bought one of these small little mini things for us single fellas. One of these small things, I used half of it in there. So it was kind of a last minute decision. And then I did add, it's your choice, but I did add some cilantro. I know some people don't like it. I love it. And then what I did with this, I'm going to show you, this is what my dinner's going to be. And I got to go down here. This looks beautiful, isn't this? And it just smells so good. I topped it off with some salsa that I bought from the grocery store. And mind you, I usually make salsa on my own, but for this time I did not. So, and I put it in a very nice bowl that I got down in the Mexican town down in Detroit. So look at that. Oh my God. So I'm going to eat. The recipe is at the end of this video. You'll get a link and you can check it out. So again, I kind of fudged with the recipe a little bit. I had a little bit more broth when it said just like 1 cup or a cup and a half. I think I had over 2 cups in it. So anyway, bon appetit. It's going to be good. I wish you were here for dinner, and thanks for watching.